So let's take a look at the absolute value inequality of y is greater than absolute value of x minus 2. Well, the first thing we need in order to graph it is going to be a vertex. So what we can do first, we can just convert this to an equality to graph the lines. Now, how do you get the vertex? You take what's inside here and set it equal to 0. So you're going to have 0 is equal to x minus 2. And then we're going to solve for x. Add 2 to both sides, so 2 is equal to x. So your vertex is at 2, 0. So let's come over here, over 2, up or down 0. Now we need a point, on either side so that we can get our v. So let's pick 0 first. We're going to substitute 0 in for x. So we have y is equal to absolute value of 0 minus 2. That's going to give us absolute value of negative 2, which is just 2. So where x is 0, y is 2. So 0 to the right or left. Okay. Now let's find a point on the other side. Let's go over here to where x equals 4. If I put 4 in here, then I have y is equal to absolute value 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Absolute value of 2. So y is equal to 2 wherever x is 4. So let's graph that. Over 4, up 2. Now, because this is just a greater than sign, we're going to put a dotted line. If it were a less than or a greater than or equal to, we would use a solid line. So we've got a dotted line. Now this divided this plane into two sections. There is the section inside your V and there is the section outside your V. We're going to shade one of those sections. That's what inequalities tell you to do. So we're just going to pick a point in one of those sections and see if it makes a true statement. I'm going to pick the point 0, 0. I'm going to come back up here to my original and I'm going to fill 0, 0 in for x and y. 0 greater than absolute value 0 minus 2. Now, if this is true, I'm going to shade in the part that contains that point. If it is not true, I'm going to shade in the other part. So 0 minus 2 is negative 2. The absolute value of negative 2 is 2. Is 0 greater than 2? No. So I'm going to shade in the other part.